A celestial spectacle will pass through the sky on October 14th, and you have an opportunity to safely watch. The looming annular solar eclipse will be visible to millions of Americans in the US, as well as folks in Central and South America. Some will see the complete annular eclipse, wherein the moon passing in front of the sun creates a ring of fire view. Many others will experience a partial solar eclipse, as only part of the moon, from their vantage point, traverses our star. We're about to give you all the details of how you can best watch this not quite once-in-a-lifetime event. Most importantly, it's dangerous to watch the solar eclipse without eye protection. NASA emphasizes that the sun is never completely blocked by the moon during an annular solar eclipse. Therefore, during an annular eclipse, it is never safe to look directly at the sun without specialized eye protection designed for solar viewing. And using a camera or telescope is even worse. According to NASA, viewing any part of the bright sun through a camera lens, binoculars, or a telescope without a special purpose solar filter secured over the front of the optics will instantly cause severe eye injury. There's only one way to directly view a solar eclipse safely. That's with approved safety glasses or solar viewers that filter out harmful types of light. These viewers must meet the international standard ISO 12312-2. That's the key number to look for when making your purchase. But don't worry if you don't have eclipse glasses. There are indirect ways to view the eclipse, such as by making a pinhole projector. A pinhole projector is an object with a small hole in it. It projects the image of the sun onto the ground. In this picture, the sun is the circle of light in the middle of the shadow on the ground. Here are some crucial eclipse viewing tips. 1. Don't use damaged or scratched viewers. 2. If you normally wear glasses, use the eclipse viewers over your regular glasses. And 3, don't remove the viewers until you've already looked away from the sun. Since most neighborhood stores don't carry NASA-approved eclipse viewing glasses, you'll likely need to look online. If you choose to buy your eclipse glasses from a website, you might see if the vendor is selling NASA-approved products that have been vetted by the American Astronomical Society, or the AAS. Otherwise, there's risk of purchasing unsafe or misleading products. So the AAS has amassed this great list of vetted sellers. They recommend that if you shop in an online marketplace, you make sure that 1, the seller is identified on the site, and 2, the seller is listed on this page. Otherwise, you can't be sure you're getting a product you can trust to protect your eyes. Where to view the annular solar eclipse. The NASA map shown here shows where in the US the full annular ring of fire solar eclipse will be visible, if weather allows, that is. It's the path on the left traveling from Oregon through Texas. It begins in Oregon at 9:13 a.m. Pacific time and ends in Texas at 12:03 p.m. Central time. But many more people, though not in the path of the full eclipse, can still see a partial eclipse. The website Great American Eclipse has a number of maps and schedules showing when one can view the eclipse. For example, on October 14th, 2023, the moon starts blocking out part of the sun in Bryce Canyon National Park at 9:09 a.m. Mountain Time. The full annular eclipse occurs there at 10:29 a.m. Mountain Time, lasting for nearly 3 minutes. Then the eclipse completely ends at 11:57 a.m. Mountain Time. This map here, from NASA, gives an idea of how the solar eclipse, specifically how much of the sun will be covered by the moon, will be visible in different regions at 10:50 a.m. Eastern Time on October 14th, 2023. Be safe, be astonished.